That's what I was working on that rusty, crusty engine for. It's the one I need a crankshaft. Of course, crankshaft's the least of its worries, I guess. Pretty rusty in the back end. Interior is filthy, full of junk. Headliners fell down. You can see some daylight back there in the wheel wells. Seats are all in good shape though. Got an overhead console thingy. Never had one of them in a truck before. Square body truck. Cracked up dashboard. 247,000. Of course, whoever owned it before me was a smoker. This thing's been sitting for almost 2 years and still smells like an ashtray inside. But the old girl's a knocker. She's got a bad rod bearing. This is what I was wanting the crankshaft out of that crusty 350 for. But as good a shape as that 350's in, I believe I'll just pull the heads off of this and drop them on that other engine and let it rip. Look at there, nice hood ornament. First one of them I ever had too. Out of all these trucks I've ever owned. Pretty neat. 350 TBI flavor, of course, in the 91. It's got a lot of new parts already. New alternator. I noticed it looked like it had a new starter. And still got the original jack under the hood. Still got the insulation under the hood. I mean, gee. Things in original shape. Cruise control is still back there hooked up. Air conditioning's all still on it. It's not charged, but it's on it. So it probably leaks, but hey, that can be fixed. Missing a headlight. Got a little whiskey dent right there. Got a flat tire. I tried to get the beaded seat back on, but couldn't get it with it on the truck, so we'll have to take that off. Suburban fuel injection. Got some toolboxes back there in the back. I'm just got stored back there, but kind of hard to tell how rusty it is back in there, but it's got quite a bit of rust in the wheel wells and above them. But that can all be patched up. Got lots of junk inside of it, including a bench seat for a truck sitting in it. All sorts of junk, goodies. You might see some of that rust. Pretty rough. Got some ventilation holes there. It's like that on both sides. We can fire her up here. She starts good, runs good. But man, she's a knocker. Yep, power windows, locks. Got the real pretty wood grain on the dash. Man, it's got a lot of swirl to it. Looks pretty nice. Power mirrors. Anywho, that's what we needed the crankshaft for. I think between those two engines, the one that's in it, use the heads off of it because it ain't smoking, and the short block up there, the old rusty crusty motor, I may be able to put something pretty decent together with it. Get this old girl back on the road pretty cheaply. May not cost a whole lot. Pretty much just a gasket set. Some new fluids. A little bit of my time. I think she'll be pretty good. As rusty as it is in the back end, the front floorboards and stuff are solid in it. Of course, you can't see them on this end for the carpet, but I've been under it, and it's good and solid. No rust at all in the front of the cab. It's all in the back end. All on the back end of it. Got another old 87 model Suburban. I can cut panels out of it if I need to. It's just an old body. It's already been stripped. No title or nothing for it. And it's got a lot of the panels this one could use. Like the rocker down there under that door. And behind the rear wheels. They're solid on that other body. And the inside, that's where really the most of the rust is. Inside the wheel wells up underneath it in the back. I cut them out, weld them back in this one. It might last another couple decades. I don't know. I guess it's worth a little effort. We'll have to see, I reckon. I guess that's it for now.